Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I did this really orange toned cut crease. I used mostly the Modern Renaissance palette and then just like one other shade from a different palette. And I just want you guys to know that I'm trying to upload a little bit more often. I am working and going to school, so it's a little bit hard for me to like find time. But I'm trying to get out as many videos as I can for you guys. So anyways, if you'd like to see how I did this look, please just keep watching. We're just gonna ignore this right here because like when I'm editing, you guys will hear music, but for me, like I'm not hearing anything, so it's just kind of like silent. So I already primed and set my lid, and I'm gonna be using mainly the Modern Renaissance palette, but for my transition color, I'm gonna be using Silk Cream in the Jaclyn Hill palette right here, and the Wet n Wild crease brush. Okay, so now taking the Modern Renaissance palette, I'm going to use Burnt Orange on this Eco Tools blending brush, and I'm just going to start blending that into the crease. I'm going to kind of smoke it up towards the eyebrow just to make sure that it shows after I cut the crease. And I'm really making sure to go into that inner corner. So once I cut it, you can still see like on this side, it's like brought in. So like the cut is a little bit more dramatic versus like if there's not really that much product there, it's not gonna look as dramatic. I'm going back in with that Wet n Wild brush because it's a little more fluffy just to blend out the edge. And again, I'm going to go back in with the same brush and the same color and really build it up right along the crease. Actually a little higher because I'm going to cut the crease higher than my normal one. Now I'm taking this CS09 brush from Coastal Scents and grabbing Railgar and really focusing that along where I'm going to cut the crease and do like a real dome shape so it's more right along the cut. And I'm just gonna kind of feather that out. Now I'm taking a little bit of red ochre and mixing that in just to deepen up that crease. Okay, now going back in with the Eco Tools brush and Burnt Orange and blending that out. Okay, so to cut the crease, I'm going to use Tarte Shape Tape and Light Sand and this little brush from Real Techniques. I'm not sure what it's called, but it's just this like tiny little brush. I'm not sure how well you guys are gonna be able to see this because I have to hold it really close, the mirror really close, so I can see. So I'm gonna do my best. I just realized I've been calling it a cut crease, but it's only half a cut crease, so my bad. So now I'm gonna take this I think it's a blending brush, this little brush right here, and tempera in the palette, and just pack that on the lid to set it. And I messed up, but I will fix it. Okay. Now I'm gonna go in with this flat brush, this Wet n Wild brush, and pack that in the smaller parts. Okay, so you can see like I messed up, or like I closed my eye and it just kind of went up on this top part right here. So the good part is we're gonna put glitter right there, so it's just gonna cover that right up. Okay, so now I'm taking that blending Eco Tools brush again and burnt orange, and I'm gonna start blending the outer edge. And now the Coastal Suns brush again, and Railgar, and a little bit of red ochre, and doing the same thing. Now I'm grabbing the e.l.f. brush again, and tempera, and just really making sure that this is all blended and meshing well together. And then back with Railgar. Okay, now we're gonna fix where we messed up by covering it with glitter. I have to blow on it because I messed up the last one because I blinked. But yeah. This thing takes forever to dry. Ooh. So now I'm grabbing this little smoky liner brush from Wet n Wild, and I'm gonna grab burnt orange and run it on my lower lash line. And now I'm taking Rogar and putting that on the outer corner of the lower lash and just blending it forward. And now just a little bit of red ochre and putting that on the very outside. Now I'm gonna line my waterline with a white liner. Wow, that was a mouthful. The brand rubbed off, so I don't even know which one this is, but literally just whatever white liner you have and just put that on the waterline. I'm sorry if this looks disgusting, but like, this is how I apply it. Now I'm getting another smoky liner brush with tempera. I'm gonna pack that on. Just so it... My camera cut off again. I had to delete some videos, so... Alright. So I applied the white eyeliner and just set it with tempera. So now I'm gonna apply this Too Faced Better Than Sex waterproof mascara, just to prep the lashes for falsies. I was debating whether I should put on falsies for this video because I'm literally not going anywhere after this. But I was like, why not? Like, I haven't put any on in the last couple videos or any of my videos at all. So I threw out the box, but this is what the lash looks like, and I'm gonna try to link it below if I can find it. I'm pretty sure it's Ardell, but I'm not too sure. But anyways, I'll link it below if I can find it. Okay, now we're just gonna let this get tacky. I literally hate putting on false lashes with a passion. Like, I hate it so much. They look so pretty, but putting them on is just so hard for me. I don't even know. If I were actually going out, I'd probably do the tight line, but I'm not, so I'm not going to. So now I'm taking So Hollywood and I'm putting that in the inner corner on both because I didn't do the other one. So to line my lips, I'm going to use the NYX lip liner in Nutmeg. And then I'm going to go over that with the Buxom Full On Lip Cream in Moscow Mule, which is just like this brown color. So this is the final look. Wait. Ooh, wrong way. So this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please make sure to like and subscribe and comment any other video ideas that you'd like to see me do on this channel, and I hope to see you in the next video.